Hello, good morning students. Now what we are going to do, we are going to understand the Kolbe electrolysis students. Okay. So Kolbe electrolysis means what that is. This is the electrolysis of sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salts of carboxylic acid. This is the Kolbe electrolysis student. Kolbe electrolysis means electrolysis of sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So dear students, first of all you see what is the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, so this is sodium carboxylate. Okay, sodium carboxylate. Now this is the sodium carboxylate. What is going to happen here students, it is going to ionize in the carboxylate ion, and plus Na plus ion, right? This is, so these two things are, and in the here for electrolysis water is also taken student. So here if you see that is H2O is also getting ionized in H plus plus OH minus, right? Now we have to see that is what kind of product you are going to get, the anode and cathode. So let us try to understand student, that is here where we are taking that is anode and another side we are going to take that is cathode, right? So we are going to see the product student. So let us see anode. Anode means what student? At the anode what is oxidation will be there, oxidation, and at the cathode what will happen student? Reduction. Okay, so reduction means what? Reduction of what student? So positive charge what is there? H plus is there and Na plus is there. So here and here if you see student, CH3 C double O minus ion is there, right? And one another is there, OH minus ion is there, right? So here what will happen dear students, this is going to convert into what? That is if you are taking that is 2 mole students, okay, if you are going to take the 2 mole, so it is forming that is CH3 and CH3 will form student, CH3 and CH3, and at the same time 2 mole of CO2 will form student. And here if you see whatever the electron we are getting, this electron, okay, this electron if you are taking that is electron, so it will combine with this and it will give that is what student? It is combining with the electron, it will give that is half mole of the hydrogen gas will release at the cathode. So two things we have to keep in mind, that is at the anode that is ethane and carbon dioxide will release. At the anode ethane and carbon dioxide will release, while at the cathode if you are talking about the cathode, hydrogen gas will release. Similarly in this side cathode reaction, there will be in the system what will happen, because why the hydrogen is getting reduced? Because discharge potential of the hydrogen is more than the sodium, so hydrogen getting reduced. And what will happen with the Na students? Okay, so Na if you are talking about, this Na will combine with OH, and at the cathode only, okay, Na and OH it is combined, Na plus and OH minus, this will give that is NaOH student. Okay, so OH ion is evenly in the anode side and cathode side are there, that will be the product student. Now what we are going to do students, we are checking that is in this reaction higher alkane you are going to get, higher alkane. So let us have some of the example of it. Okay, examples. So let us have the example number 1. Suppose if you are taking students, what we are taking CH3 COO, right? And you are saying that is Kolbe electrolysis, Ke means Kolbe electrolysis. So how the product will form the student? So here you take the 2 mole, so here is CH3 and CH3, and next one is what it will give, that is carbon dioxide 2 mole, plus it will give that is water is already there, KOH, and that is together it will give the hydrogen gas will also formed. Okay, so this is the first example. Now let us move on to the second example. So suppose we are having this one, okay, and we are treating here is C double OK. So what will happen, this total this is splitting student, and here is HOH is there. Okay, so this is splitting in the such a way that is this was a split here. Okay, and if it is splitting, okay, here Ke we are taking. So what the possibilities of product, here you take the 2 mole. So possibility is the simply this compound is going to be formed. That is our product. Remaining will be what, student? 2 mole of CO2 plus 2 mole of KOH, 2 mole of KOH plus hydrogen gas will release as usual. Okay, suppose dear students, what is there at the third case? If we are having that is CH2 COOK1, and here is CH2 COOK this one, and you are doing that is Kolbe electrolysis. So what the compound is going to be formed, student? This is the CH2, that is double bond CH2, right? And next one, what is that is 2 mole of CO2 plus 2 mole of KOH plus hydrogen gas will released here. Third case is what the possibilities of third case is there. CH triple bond CH is there, triple bond not, it is double bond. Here is CH is there, double bond CH is there. Here is C double OK, here is also C double OK. And if you are treating that is a Kolbe electrolysis you are doing, so that is it will form CH triple bond CH plus 2 mole of CO2 plus KOH 2 mole plus hydrogen gas will release as usual. Okay, fourth reaction you can see, students, suppose we are having the this way, C double OK is there, here is also C double OK is there, and if you are doing that is Kolbe electrolysis, the product will be like that, students. Okay, side product I am not writing, you can easily do. Okay, fourth. Now you come out to be the fifth number, dear student. Fifth number, suppose if I am having, dear students, if I am having C double OK and here is C double OK, so that is here it will split, here it will split, Kolbe electrolysis. So it will give that is, student, this type of compound is going to be formed, student. 6 number you see, student, 6 number. If we are having this compound, student, okay, and C double OK is there, and here is also C double OK, so this is going to split here, this is going to split here, this is the Kolbe electrolysis, dear student. So how the product will be there, this is this way the product will form, right? Now let us move out the 7 number. Okay, so what the 7 number, if you see, this is the sodium salt of the dicarboxylic acid, and here is C double OK is there. So this is going to be split here, this is going to be Kolbe electrolysis. So if you can check it out, dear student, so what will happen here will be the cyclohexane will formed. Okay, this one. Suppose 8 number, if you see, student, 8 number. So in case of 8 number, what we can do here, this type of compound is there, cyclooctane is there, and in the cyclooctane what we are having here, suppose C double OK is there, here is also C double OK, and you are doing the Kolbe electrolysis. So this compound is going to be formed. Okay, here will be the triple bond is going to be formed. And the last one, let us see, students, number is correct now. If you are going for the last one, that is 9 number, so how the compound is going to be formed, you see, here is C double OK is there, C double OK is there, and here it is going to be Kolbe electrolysis. So this Kolbe electrolysis, here you take the 2 molecule, dear students. So if you are taking the 2 molecule, so here the what possibilities is there, the compound which is formed here, students, this type of compound is generally formed, that you have to keep in mind, students, right? So these were the all the product of the Kolbe electrolysis, students. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you, students.